Good morning, grade 9. Let's go for new topic from Maths 1, topic number 4, that is ratio and proportion. Now, see, students, you have been learning ratio since your lower classes. It is nothing but the relation which one quantity bears to another of the same kind and having same units. So, what is the relation between those two quantities? Provided they are in the same units and they are of same kind. So, that is what we call it as ratio. For example, 72 upon 60, this is one ratio. It is also written as 72 is to 60. Alright. So this is in fraction form and this is to form. Now with this background, first question which is very easy based on your previous knowledge. So question 1, if we go for set 4.1, it says find the ratio of the first number to the second. First number to the second. That is 72 is to 60. You have to find the ratio. Now always see that you have to reduce it to the lowest form. Okay, I have not written complete question. You see what the question is. Find the ratio of the first number to the second number from the given pairs of numbers in the reduced form. So you have to cut it down into reduced form. So let us see, first is 72 upon 60. Now it is but obvious both are divisible by 12. 12 stable. So 12 5s are 60 and 12 6s are 72. So what is the reduced form or ratio we have? 6 is to 5. It is as easy as that. You are going to divide both the numbers by 12. Alright. Now see second, 38 by 57. So it is 38 upon 57. If you are very well with the tables, you will not have any problem. You know 19 2s and 19 3s. So this is divided by 19, 19 2s and this is 19 3s. So this ratio comes out to be 2 is to 3. Isn't it easy, students? Now 52 and 78. It is 52 is to, I am writing here 52 is to 78. Okay, now I will show by another method. Start with the smallest number. If you don't know the tables directly, go for the smallest number. Let us divide both by 2. So if I divide by 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 6s are 12. If I divide this by 2, 2 3s are 6 you have, and 18 2 9s are 18. Isn't it? Okay. Now this is 26 upon 39. So this can be divided by 13. 13 2s are and 13 3s are. So you have ratio 2 is to 3. So which is equal to 2 is to 3. That's the first question is over. Now see question number 2. You please pause the video and take it down. Okay. I am repeating this question. Find the ratio of the first number to the second in the reduced form. You add that much. Okay. Now let's go to the second question. It is also of the same type. See now. Now see the second question. Find the ratio of the first quantity to the second quantity in the reduced form. So first quantity, both are here rupees, rupees. Check that also. If they are in the same units, that is also important. So you have 700 upon 308. So these are divisible by 7. 7 hundreds are. And this is 7 4s are 28. And again 4s are 28. Now see, this is so simple. You can divide by 4. 4 25s are and 4 11s are. Alright. So what is the ratio? It is 25 is to 11. Got it? Now see, the second question is little tricky. They have given rupees 14 and so rupees 14, and second quantity they have given rupees 12, rupees 12 and paise they have given 40. These two are in rupees and one quantity is in, but this is one, this is one, and this is first and this is second. This is 40 paise. So let us convert everything into paise. We know that 1 rupee, rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. Or we can write paise 100. First P, no? Paise 100. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Alright. So 14 rupees is equal to rupees 14 is equal to 14 into 100, which is equal to 1400 paise. Now rupees 12 is equal to, similarly like this you have 12 into 100, which is equal to 1200 paise. This is in paise, this is in paise, this is in rupees. So this is paise and this is paise. So if I have 12 rupees and 40 paise, it comes out to be 1200 paise plus 40 paise, which is equal to 1240 paise. Okay, got it everyone? And therefore now we have ratio. I am erasing the first problem, just see. Now we have everything in paise. Your first quantity is, so you have rupees 14 upon rupees 12, and paise 40 is nothing but 1400 paise upon 1240 paise. See, this is also paise and this is also paise. Okay, so 0 0 gets cut off, and we are now left with 140 upon 124. We can divide by 70s are 2 4s are 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, and 2 2s are. So we have 70 upon 62. Again it can be divided by 12. 2, half of 70 is 35 and half of 62 is 31. Okay, so simplest ratio is 35:31. Have you understood how we converted everything into one ratio? Because one was in rupees and another was mixture of rupees and paise. So it is very important that you convert both the quantities in same ratio. Now look at the third problem. Please pause the video and take it down, or you can do on your own and then cross check with the videos. It is not necessary that you should be copying each and every problem. Do on your own and then cross check. Now see, third question is, now you have 5 liters and you have 2500 ml, milliliters. One is in liter and one is in ml. Alright, so let us convert first. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So 5 liters will be equal to 5000 ml. So we have now 5000 ml, and second quantity you have 2500 ml. Now both are in ml, you can take the ratio. So this is coming out to be 5000 upon 20. 0 0. 25 ones are 25 twos. So your ratio is 2:1. Have you understood? Okay. Now fourth problem, just check fourth one. Now look at fourth problem. 3 years and 4 months. So combination of year and months is given. Here also year and months is given. So you can't find ratio like this. Convert either everything into years or everything into months. So we know that in 1 year there are 12 months. So in 3 years there will be 36 months. Similarly in 5 years it will be 5 into 12, which is equal to 60 months. So 3 years and 4 months is as good as 36 months plus 4, which is equal to 40 months. And 5 years is 60 months plus those 8 months become 68 months. So ratio is of 40:68. If you divide this first by 4, then divide by 4, you get 4 tens and 4 17s. Divide by 4, okay? And so your ratio is 10:17. Is this clear? Okay. Now look, 1 kg is 1000 grams. So 3.8 kg is 3.8 into 1000. That comes out to be 3800 grams. So ratio would be 3800 upon 1900. That comes out to be 2:1. 19 ones and 19 twos are. In last question, see, minutes and seconds, minutes and second. We know 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 7 minutes will be 7 into 60, which becomes out to be 420 seconds. Plus this 20 comes out to be 440. In this case, 5 minutes is nothing but 5 into 60, that is 300 seconds. Plus 6 becomes 306 seconds. So actual ratio is of 440 seconds is to 306 seconds. So 440 upon 306, if you do it, it can be only divisible by 2 because 153 is prime number. Further you can't divide. So it is 220 is to 153 is the reduced form of ratio. So that's all from my side for today, students. Thank you.